Welcome to the weekend meditation, time to reflect as we literally fall into cooler temperatures in the morning and evening and warm by midday. The autumn weather has been spectacular, and watching the leaves change color and then gently fall, it reminds us that it is lung season in Chinese medicine. So lung season works with our anxiety, our grief, and of course our grief is seeing summer just fade away. One thing that we can do to help is to rake out our lungs. We all hold a lot of grief, certainly anxiety in this day and age, and we can just literally make our hands rakes and rake out our lungs. So if you're struggling with a cold or bronchitis or anything, it's just easy to just rake out your lungs, clear them out energetically, which will also help them physically. So let's just bring ourselves to a quiet place. And as we do that, let's calm down that anxiety level. Place one hand right on the temple and the other hand right here in that notch at your throat. And this is great before going to sleep, especially if you're someone who has trouble going to or staying asleep. So you're holding 2 points that calm that fight or flight. Take a breath and just let go. And now you're going to change sides. So when you do this, you can hold each side for about 2 minutes and then change to the other side. And just notice if you feel calmer, quieter, more relaxed. Breathing in, just letting go. Now one hand over the other, right at the heart center between the breast. And let's just breathe in love, compassion, gratitude, and resilience. Breathe out fear, doubt, overwhelm. Breathe back in love, compassion, gratitude, and resilience. And again, just let go of fear, doubt, anxiety, overwhelm. Closing your eyes, removing the distractions from around you, and breathing even deeper in love, compassion, gratitude, resilience. Let the shoulders drop. Feel yourself just taking time to rest and restore. So as we breathe in love, let us remember to endorse ourselves for taking time for self-care. All the ways that you do that every day. Like begin with just getting out of bed. Sometimes that's not easy. And bringing in a sense of compassion for the day-to-day challenge of being a human being. and gratitude. Let's take this moment to express gratitude to the body for all that it does for us every single day, every minute of the day. And resilience. Each time we take time for personal self-care, for self-discipline, we build resilience. So again, breathing in love, compassion, gratitude, and resilience. And take time today for a walk out in nature and literally drink in the power of Mother Nature and the beauty of the universe that we live in. Yes, we have a lot of problems to conquer, but we also are living in this miracle body. We need to hold compassion for ourselves and others and be grateful for all that we personally have. And know that all these attributes, all the things we do every day, help us build resilience, which we not only need for our personal life, but for our business life, for our relationships. So again, just breathing in gently, love, compassion, deep gratitude, and build resilience. Each day, find ways to endorse yourself for all the things you do. For yourself, for others, with your children and your family, and in your business, with your work and fellow workers. So there's nothing you need to do at this moment, but just keeping your eyes closed, hold all of your being in love, honor, and reverence, just as you are in this moment in time. This is Elsie Kerns, and I invite you to reach out to overwhelmwarrior.com. Come take some classes with me or sign up for a free chat. See how what I have learned throughout the years in alternative complementary medicine might be able to help you. Enjoy the day. I will see you next week.